An air purifier that sits in this large space. Will the clean air that this purifier is supposed to provide come to me? Well, a safe air purifier, Roomi, removes 99.97% of ultrafine dust. The air I breathe, the air purifier for me, because it purifies a room full of air for me. With Roomi, you can now be free from the anxiety that may remain in daily life with ultrafine dust, the air that causes sick house syndrome, harmful gases in the kitchen, and the coronavirus. A safe air purifier, Roomi, can remove 99.97% of ultrafine dust, 99% of pollen, and 99% of airborne viruses. It comes with touch sensors, a filter change alarm, sleep mood light, diffuser function, and provides a more sophisticated look with the compatibility as a stand or wall hanging type. Specially manufactured H13 HEPA filter, clean air through filtering healthy air with Roomi's own sterilization function. Do you want to stand here and breathe? You can in a room with Roomi. A safe air purifier, Roomi.